house, lovers of Chinese language. Happy New Year 2025 is our year. So if you're hoping to start your YouTube channel and you have not started your YouTube channel in this year 2025, you're missing a lot. So Chinese word here is telling you to start up your YouTube channel today. I know it might not be too late. You might think that, okay, what are you going to be saying here on YouTube? There are a lot of things for you to say. Yes, there are a lot of things for you to say, guys. So do not forget to start up your YouTube channel today. We're here to encourage you to start up your YouTube channel. Is our year. So do not forget to come over here and start up your YouTube channel. 2025 is our year. Lovers of Chinese language. I know I've not uploaded a YouTube tutorial, makeup tutorial in a long time. We are on Amugo. We are in Amugo. Our baby is saying Happy New Year to all of you. This is a very short video for us. We came here to tell you guys Happy New Year. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for sticking by. Please always comment on our videos, like, so that YouTube can push our videos to our viewers, so that we're going to win this 2025. Thank you guys. If you found this video, please do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to our channel. Okay guys, my baby is saying Happy New Year. So we're going to see you on another video. Bye.